Welcome back to Spy Garage.
With a distinct emphasis on contemporary elegance, cutting-edge technology, and polished performance, the eagerly awaited 2026 GMC Motorhome represents a major comeback for the venerable nameplate in the recreational vehicle industry. This version is a total redesign rather than just an update, created to satisfy the changing needs of discriminating road travelers who want both comfort and functionality. From the standpoint of outward appearance, the 2026 GMC Motorhome departs from the larger RV's more practical look. Rather, it adopts the modern design language of GMC, which is renowned for its strong lines, authoritative presence, and high-end workmanship. Anticipate a sleek, aerodynamic shape that suggests stability and efficiency. It may have a prominent grille, distinctive GMC lighting elements, and integrated, useful design elements that improve both form and function. Whether driving down the highway or parking at a picturesque overlook, the focus will probably be on a unified, high-end style that exudes refinement. The 2026 GMC Motorhome's inside is where its luxury label really shines when you step inside. The cabin will be a monument to comfort and convenience, taking inspiration from upmarket home architecture as well as GMC's own premium truck and SUV interiors. Rich leathers, real wood veneers, and finely made metal embellishments are just a few examples of the premium materials that will be used. In order to optimize usable space, the layout will be carefully planned to provide separate areas for sleeping, eating, living, and personal hygiene. Large windows will let in plenty of natural light, making the space feel spacious and light. The RV will be transformed into a true home away from home with the seamless integration of high-end appliances, smart home technology, and plenty of storage options. One important aspect will probably be customizable settings, which would let owners tailor their rolling refuge to their particular needs. The 2026 GMC Motorhome is expected to be built on a foundation of performance and technology. Although the exact powertrain specifications are still unknown, it is expected to have a strong and effective engine that may take advantage of improvements in gasoline or perhaps hybrid technology to deliver plenty of power for a variety of terrains while still achieving respectable fuel economy. For a car this size, the chassis will be designed for outstanding ride comfort and stability. To improve safety and driving comfort, driver assistance technology from GMC's wide range of products will be incorporated. Long trips might be less taxing and more pleasurable with the help of adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, advanced parking aids, and a full set of cameras for enhanced situational awareness. The 2026 relaunch of the GMC Motorhome brand represents a calculated attempt to appeal to a market niche for luxury RVs that appreciates a fusion of well-known automotive quality with the flexibility of mobile living. It seeks to provide a sophisticated and competent platform for exploration while maintaining the conveniences and modern conveniences that one would anticipate from a high-end car.